Good morning everyone. Thanks to the chairman of Mozib 100 Idea, UGC and Ministry of Education to give us an opportunity to present our DREAM project. We hope the face of big cities of Bangladesh will be changed by the project. We have a potential and energetic team who are very creative to run the program. Moreover, partner organizations WLT and Cumilla City Corporation are very promising to succeed the project. Wish you all the best.
Thanks to everyone for giving me the opportunity. Waste management is very important for our cities. We hope by the project we can provide an economic and healthy society. We want your support to move forward. Thank you.
I am the founder and CEO of Quanta Robotics, inventor of humanoid robot Sheena and Blueberry, regional champion of NASA's Space App Challenge 2018. I am working to develop an app, sensor and tracking system, and I am very pleased to work with the project. Thanks all.
I have analyzed the current environment pollution, its threat on human health and suitable treatment in my academic project. The Green City project is very promising to overcome the health sustainability as well as produce compost from organics. I am working to organize the compost system with modern data management.
I received President Scout Award in 2013 for my voluntary works. This Green Lively Modern City project will support people to buy and sell used, semi-used material in a respectful manner, which is pleasant for mankind. I am working with this project and I wish it success. Thank you.
I am very passionate about programming and data science. Currently working on data science and app development for this project. Thank you.
I am a competitive programmer and program some robots such as robot Sheena and robot Blueberry. I am passionate about machine learning, currently working on a smart drainage and AI-based waste management system for this project. Thank you.
The dumping area of solid waste materials of Cumilla City Corporation is Moilakhuli, Cumilla. To go there is really challenging due to the bad odor of the local environment. The inhabitants suffer from several diseases, unhealthy air, water, as well as mental negligence. Our research has demonstrated that 60 to 70% of waste materials are mainly organic, which is precious to fertile lands as compost. Our plan is to build 20 compost centers throughout the city that will be run by trained manpower, such as from bird, to produce compost and to sell accordingly. It will produce a huge revenue to run the whole management system and assist to minimize the gathering of large volumes of waste in Moilakhuli. Plastic is the most disturbing material throughout the world due to its non-biodegradable nature. Our plan is to convert it into different types of oil such as petrol, diesel and even jet oil with the assistance of WLT. Waterlogging is due to waste conjunction in the drainage system. To maintain a fluent drainage system, we will introduce a sensor and automatic drain cleaner which will make it fluent and finally give us a drain where fish could even live gently. In the same project, we want to introduce solar-run sensor-based modern smart dustbins by data management. It can provide IoT-based information to control from the center when full, so that the office can collect them in a useful manner. App named Porichonno could work to get all the necessary services of the city corporation related to our project. It will assist the customers to separate the waste from their homes by the supplied plastic bags and will get points instantly via app. Moreover, if anyone wants, they can sell unnecessary unused materials. Thank you all for giving us time.